In this video, I'm going to show you how to make viral TikTok ads with AI like this one.
Hey there, ready for a sweet hack that will totally up your game? I'm Alex, your go-to tech enthusiast.
I made this ad in under 5 minutes. No actors, no voiceovers, no complicated editing. But here's the thing, most AI ad tools still look fake. I tested a ton of them, and only one actually looked realistic and was easy to use. And trust me, even with the right tool, a bad prompt will still ruin your ad. So just follow this workflow step by step. Click the link below and sign up for ArcAds. It's the tool I use almost every day. Now, the first step is creating a UGC-style character that we can later turn into a full video. I already prepared a simple prompt for this. 26-year-old woman with thick, dark hair past the shoulders, natural skin texture, and warm indoor lighting. Make sure multiple variations are enabled so the AI generates several options at once, then submit the prompt. After a few seconds, you'll get multiple images that can later be animated. Go through them carefully and choose the version that looks the most realistic and natural. Some images may look too cinematic or overly airbrushed, so avoid those and pick the cleaner looking result. Once you've selected the best image, the next step is adding the product into the scene. Head back into the editor and open Nano Banana Pro. Upload a high-quality image of the product you want the model to hold, then also upload the character image we just created. If this workflow feels overwhelming at first, create a simple document for yourself containing all the prompts and settings you use so you can easily repeat the process later. Now, use a prompt telling the AI to have the model hold the shampoo bottle naturally in her right hand while standing in a relaxed pose, then generate several versions. Always create at least 3 or 4 options because some generations may contain visual mistakes or strange distortions. One useful trick is using a product image with a white background because it helps the AI understand the shape and branding much more accurately. Once the images generate, inspect them carefully and look for issues around the hands, label, or product shape. When you find a good version, download it and remove the old files. Then upload the newly created image again because now we're going to create additional scenes and locations for variety. Different products work better in different environments, so sometimes outdoor scenes perform well, while other times indoor scenes look more believable and premium. Upload the updated image again, clear the previous files, and paste a new prompt that changes the environment to something like a bedroom mirror setup with soft lighting and a slightly different pose. Customize the environment depending on the type of product you're promoting, then generate several new versions again. Now we have the same model holding the same product in a completely different location, which gives us more usable footage for the final ad. The next step is turning the image into a video. I'm going to use the first image for this example. To animate it, switch over to the video section and select either V03 or Kling 3.0, since those currently deliver the strongest results. Set the format to vertical and choose 1080p resolution. Then paste in a motion prompt describing the woman confidently holding the shampoo bottle with subtle, natural movement while keeping realistic skin texture and smooth motion. At this point, we also need to add the script because the voiceover and hook are one of the most important parts of the entire process. Without a strong hook and clear explanation of the product benefits, the ad usually won't perform well. Start by writing down all the pain points your product solves, then use an LLM to generate multiple short UGC-style scripts. You can use almost any modern AI writing tool. Keep the scripts short, around 8 seconds each, and create several variations. Always use your own product details whenever possible. Include reviews, customer feedback, FAQs, support messages, and any useful information because the more context you provide, the better the AI-generated scripts usually become. Now, return to the video generator. Paste your prompt, add voice instructions like accent or speaking style, and generate the clip. After a few moments, you'll have an AI influencer-style video promoting the product. If something looks wrong, you can remix the generation and adjust the prompt. Maybe the skin texture doesn't look natural, the voice sounds strange, or the movement feels unrealistic. You can tweak all of that and regenerate. You can also extend the video length, add more dialogue, or upscale the final output for higher quality. Once everything looks good, download the HD version. One important thing to understand is that a single video usually isn't enough for ads. The best strategy is creating multiple clips and combining them together like a modular system. Many successful ads are actually made from several short UGC scenes stitched together to communicate different benefits and target different audience types. You can even mix in real footage if you have it, because that often makes the ad feel more authentic and trustworthy. Continue generating additional scenes using the same character model to maintain consistency throughout the video. To create more scenes, remove the old prompt, upload the original character image again, and describe the next scene you want. If you're unsure what type of clips to generate, ask an LLM for A-roll and B-roll ideas using the same character image. It can suggest things like before and after shots, close-ups, talking to camera clips, shower scenes, product demonstrations, or natural lifestyle moments. All of those clips can later be combined together inside your editing software. You can also create silent B-roll clips that only include natural movement and subtle sound effects. Some clips may look very similar, but they're still useful during editing for transitions and pacing. While generating new scenes, you may occasionally notice issues like incorrect product branding or unrealistic details. That's completely normal because current AI tools still hallucinate sometimes. Usually, you can fix these problems by reopening the remix section, re-uploading the product image, and generating the scene again. Switching models and adding multiple reference images can also improve realism significantly. Once your clips look good, import them into an editor like CapCut, combine everything together, and export the final ad. And if you run into any kind of problem, just drop a comment and I'll help you out.